Zita.
Akusabalekeki.
Isitori sakho side kakhulu nje yami.
It's still a very hot topic ukuthi akufuni ukukhulunywa ngayo. Banjwela kuyekela kubanjwela kuyekela.
But yeah, do you hear voices?
Angazi skimi ngicambuke ngenwe yini imi lapho ngidisala ukuthi ayingiphe insango namhlanje. Uskimi sekahle bafethu. Senzani ngaye so kuyavotwa ukuthi nje uyashawa or not.
No man, life yami kahle kahle is taking a nose dive. Sekune twist aseyikhona.
Ukuthi nje no. My father is part and parcel of this underground system. Okuthiwa nje ama-drugs what kuthiwa i-mendre.
And ngiyamfuna silahlekelane siphinde sitholane vie.
Slow sephambili. Hey, it looked super comfortable, it looked okay, it looked nice. I mean there was just too much money around, chief.
Bekuyinja nja.
Ngipolicize yonke into manje. Immediately manje sengipolitician sengisesibhedlela. Hayi baranta te kartor tshwenya handcuff out again.
The one and the only uThayeli.
Tiko lilonal system isoloncisha jwano. Manje ngiscreama ANC until Bitcoin gate. Mara chief ngisesibhedlela amahlanje ashaya izandla. Uvukile. Hey uvukile hayi. I-entry engizama ukusifaka lapha elithulayo seyakungeneki bathi rishebile company yakho ngada abashebile ngiyagijima manje ucishe wangibulala mina one day ngemplanele story sokuthi why ngafuni uyesikela ngifuna umspanela wathi wangibheka nje ngamehlo ngaka wathi uthini don't know what happened.